Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Gershon here. We are going to do something a tiny bit different this week. We've been adding inflected endings. Now last week the ending that we added was ed in order to turn the verb that we were talking about into a past tense verb. So an action that had been done the day before, a week before, a month before, a year before, a minute before, anything that's happened in the past. Today we're doing the same thing, but we're going to be looking at base words that actually completely change when they are put into the past tense, but we're not adding an ed. Not all past tense verbs will add an ed on the end to make it past tense. So we're going to see that this week. I'm going to read through the words and then we'll talk about some of those endings that we see here, or some of the ways that the verbs changed. So in my first column I have sleep, slide, sweep, know, knew, froze, say, drove. Then I have slept, shine, bleed, through, bled, draw, slid, and kept. Then I have keep, freeze, throw, drew, swept, shown, said, and drive. So at the top here you see our two headers. We have past and present. I'm going to actually put present in green, past in brown. So let's look at our two headers. So our present word is sleep. That is an action word. That is a verb. So in order to change sleep to the past, we would actually say slept. Now, not a lot stays the same about this word. You have your SLE, but you're dropping an E and adding PT. There are some other words here that you do the same ending, the PT ending, to as well with that double E. Like the present tense word of sweep, all the way to the past tense verb of swept. So again, you see that PT on the end there. Same with keep. And then we have kept, which is all the way here at the bottom. Again, PT added on to the end of that word with one of the E's going away. That doesn't always happen. We're not always adding PT onto the end of the words. You'll see here with the word know, we have the vowel team OW, that's present, to the vowel team switching to EW in the word new. That happens also with the word throw. Here's the present tense of throw. And you'll see through here, the same thing happens. The OW vowel team goes away and the EW vowel team comes in for the past tense. One thing that I would do this week, again, these words aren't necessarily hard to spell, but they are changing verbs into past tense when we're not always adding ED. We're looking for some of the other ways that you can change those verbs to past tense without adding ED. What I would do is I would try to match up the present base word like I was doing and then find the past tense verb so they're lined up in your columns. If you have any questions, please feel free to raise your hand and we can get our scissors. And happy sorting.